Join me as I try to save the most money possible. On my taxes this year, can I beat my previous record? When it comes to taxes, we all want to save as much as possible, but many of us leave money on the table by not taking advantage of available deductions and credits. This year, I want to make sure you're not leaving any hard-earned cash behind. So let's dive into the world of tax savings and explore how to maximize your returns. One common misconception about taxes is that they're only for accountants and financial experts, but the truth is anyone can learn how to save on their taxes with a little bit of knowledge and planning. Another misconception is that tax savings are only for the wealthy, but that's simply not true. There are many deductions and credits available to individuals and families of all income levels. Many people also think that taxes are too complicated and overwhelming, so they just accept their tax bill without questioning it. But the truth is the tax code is designed to provide benefits and incentives for certain behaviors and expenditures, and by taking advantage of these, you can significantly reduce your tax liability. Finally, some people think that tax savings are only about cheating or finding loopholes, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about legally and ethically taking advantage of the tax code to keep more of your hard-earned money. Ultimately, the biggest challenge most individuals face when it comes to maximizing their tax savings is simply not knowing where to start or what's available to them. But don't worry, that's what we're here for today. So let's talk about some strategies for saving on taxes. One of the most powerful tools in your tax saving arsenal is the deductions. Deductions are expenses that you can subtract from your income to reduce your taxable income, which in turn reduces your tax bill. Some common deductions include mortgage interest, charitable donations, business expenses. Another powerful tool is the tax credit, which is a direct reduction from your tax bill. Dollar for dollar, some common tax credits include the earned income tax credit and the child tax credit, in addition to deductions and credits. Contributing to a retirement account can also be great. Contributions to a traditional IRA or 401k are tax deductible, which means they can reduce your taxable income and lower your tax bill. And of course, who doesn't love the idea of building their retirement nest egg at the same time? One strategy that can have a huge impact on your tax savings is maximizing your mortgage interest deduction. If you're a homeowner, this could be one of the biggest deductions available to you, and it could make a significant difference in your tax bill. For example, let's say you have a $200,000 mortgage and you pay $10,000 in mortgage interest over the course of the year. That's a $10,000 deduction right off the bat, which could save you thousands of dollars in taxes. Another strategy is to take advantage of tax loss harvesting in your investment portfolio. If you have investments that have declined in value, you can sell them and use those losses to offset gains from other investments, reducing your tax liability. And of course, you can also use those losses to offset up to 300 of ordinary income, which could save you even more in taxes. Speaking of ordinary income, did you know that you can also save on taxes by reducing your taxable income through something called a health savings account or HSA? An HSA allows you to set aside pre-tax dollars for medical expenses, which reduces your taxable income and lowers your tax bill. And of course, you can use those funds for medical expenses tax-free, which is a win-win. So what's the biggest takeaway from all of this is that tax savings are within your reach, and it's worth taking the time to learn about and take advantage of the deductions, credits, and strategies available to you. By doing so, you could save thousands of dollars in taxes this year, and that's money that could be going straight into your pocket. Thanks for joining me on this journey to save big on taxes this year. Don't forget to share your own tax saving tips in the comments below. And if you're looking for more information on financial